Hi guys, welcome to my channel Techie Nerves. As you guys know, I am Abhishek. Okay, I have 3 years of experience in technical development, mostly full stack development, and I have 4 years experience in teaching. I have been teaching from my college, so I have a great passion for teaching. So, like me and Newton School collaborated together, and we present you a beautiful course. So there will be a lot of courses, but this video is mostly focused on React. So we are bringing a React course for you. Okay, so this React course will be more focused on practical learning rather than learning the concept and stacking it over, and at the end we'll do some project. No, we'll learn a concept, we'll do a project. We'll learn a concept, we'll do a project. So we'll do a several project. Then we'll do a very big project at the end. So big project I will usually do in, like, what do you say? We can come on a YouTube live mostly on Saturday, Sunday, and we can complete the project in one go after you have completed a React course. Okay, so now that's great, guys. So now these courses will be available on YouTube. Apart from YouTube, these courses will also be available on Launchpad. Right, Launchpad is a platform by Newton School. Hope you guys know about the Newton School, right? See, Newton School is a great platform that can help you to get a career in tech. Like, see, they have a lot of options. Like, you can learn full stack development. Say the Newton School for Women. Course for experienced professionals. Depending upon your experience, you can choose the course, and every course has a prerequisite, right? You can get a job of 5 lakhs to 40 lakhs, 3 lakh plus, 7 lakh plus, depending on your experience. And the best part of the thing is zero fee till placement. Until you get placed, they don't charge anything. Once you get placed, then they will charge some nominal amount. Okay, guys, so do check out our courses. If you are interested, do go with it. You will get some amazing mentors like me, and who will teach you very nicely. And every person everyone in every person, you can say, every student is will get a lot of personal attention from Newton School. That's the best part of it. You'll be assigned a mentor who will clear your personal doubts in a one-to-one sessions. That's the best. That's a great feature which you usually don't get anywhere, right? Okay, so now let's come to React. Okay, now what is React, and what is the purpose? Okay, so you can say React is a front-end library. What does library means? We'll go to it. But React is a thing that helps you to make a website, the front-end part of the website, much faster compared if you code in JavaScript. Okay, so now we'll be learning React on this course. So we'll start with our first project, Hello World project. Okay, and we'll do the Hello World the easy way, the hard way, and there are a lot of other projects we'll be doing in the course. But the point is, what is the prerequisite for this course? Is there any prerequisite? Yeah, of course there is a prerequisite. I want you guys to be understanding with basic of HTML, like p tag, h tag, div tag. Once you are clear with these basics, you are good to go. Okay, I don't want you guys to be great in HTML, no worries. Okay, CSS, again, basic CSS. Okay, and if I cover some advanced topic, anyway, I'll teach you on the way. No, not to worry about that. For JavaScript, what I want, you guys should be familiar with if-else, loops, switch, ternary operators, like, what do you say, functions, and array and strings. Okay, once you're clear with that, it's enough. Okay, and there will be some ES6 features, though we'll cover that if some concept like that comes to us. Don't worry. If you know ES6, it's great. Okay, even if you don't know, we are good to go. Awesome, guys. Okay, so that will be our course on React. There will be a lot of videos coming on. Okay, so do subscribe my channel, guys, and click on the bell icon. If you click on the bell icon, you will get all the notification of all the videos. Okay, so we'll soon start our React playlist, and you can expect the video, like few videos every day on React. Okay. Okay, so in the first video, we'll do our basic setup, and we'll start with our first project, Hello World. And through that point, we'll start understanding React. Okay, awesome, guys. Okay, then I'll catch you all, guys, in the next video. Okay, and don't forget, if you have any doubts or anything, do comment so we can clear out the doubts. If you have some suggestion, do comment, and I'll see what can I do about if there is some problem, we can sort it out. Okay. And every course will have a big, like, what do you say, a major project, you can say. So major project will mostly be a kind of a YouTube live where we guys can come, we can discuss and solve out together. Okay, that will be quite fun. Okay, once the project is about to get completed, we'll have few major projects in React. Okay, and this will be a kind of flow for every course. Okay, guys, then I'll see you. Bye bye.